Ndereti ya thirikari gukomba ikoretwo igithii na mbere guku bururi-ini, muingi ukionekana kwaga kuiganira na murigo uyu, na riu uria wari seneta wa kaunti ya Embu Lenny Kivuti agiteta ati nyingi cia mbeca iria cikombagwo cithiragira mihuko-ini ya andu atare.
I do not agree that we borrow and the money disappears to other routes.
Kivuti aretio o riri President Uhuru Muigai wa Kenyatta na mutongoria wa mung'ethaniro Raila Odinga matanyitwo guthie bururi-ini wa China gwetha ngombo ya makiria ma ciringi bilioni 300 iria cibatie kurugamirira waki wa reri ya SGR. Kivuti riu akiruta ritana kuri thirikari gutigirira ati mbeca iria cirakombwo ni cirahuthika na matanya maria ciathugundeirwo.
We have leaders who are leading the government, and in their wisdom, if they think borrowing is good, I have no problem. So long as when the money is borrowed, it should come to the purpose borrowing is for.
Kaida-ini kau Kivuti ni oritie thirikari guthingata tabarira iria cikuguna Wanjiku na njira ya imwe kwa imwe makiria hari uhuthiri wa mbeca cia ngombo, agitariria wigie tabarira cia waki wa demu na ningi tabarira cia gutigirira bururi uri na irio cia kuigana.
But right now our riches are being used to pay other loans, loans we have borrowed as a country. They were not just borrowed by Uhuru. They have been borrowed over time.
Kivuti uria wahitahitanagira giturwa kia ugavana kaunti-ini iyo augite ni aguthii na mbere kurutithania wira na gavana Martin Nyaga wa Boro uria wahotanire guku agitanya kuoya utongoria wa kaunti mwaka wa 2022. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV mohoro gitauritwo riakwa ni Kimani Wangũnjiri.